Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are absolutely fantastic. Today in this video I want to show you two different products, a jump starter and an air compressor. Both are part of the 70 mi first aid kit, and I think they are essential so you can have it in your car in case you have a flat battery or a flat tire or a low pressure tire. This way you don't need to wait for road assistance. You can do it yourself very easy. Let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll go to the car and we'll do a quick test. Okay guys, so you have here 70 mi air compressor, 70 mi jump starter. And before unboxing this, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing, click that red button. Thank you very much for that. Okay guys, let's have a look at the air compressor first. Well packed, 70 mi does a good job like always. Their products are really good, I must say. Check my other reviews on some of the products they have. And there you have it, guys, 70 mi air compressor. Comes in this metal box. This is the compressor itself, so you don't need to remove it from there. Actually, you can't remove it from there. This is what you store in your car. It comes with everything attached, so you have the power cable here, so you can plug to your cigarette lighter socket. And of course the air hose that you will connect to your car tire. Not just car tires, you can pump your bike tires, camping material, footballs, etc. And over here you can see the inflation pressure range from 1 to 100 psi. This is the adapter, so it has a quick release lock, so you just need to put there on your tire you want to inflate and lock it in position. And this one, of course, it goes to your cigarette lighter. Yeah, it does look a really good product, the quality is there. According to 70 mi, he has efficient energy conversion as well. We're gonna test it in the car later on. Of course, we need to remove this. It's mandatory. And tucked away over here in the corner, you can find different adapters just in case if you want to inflate any other product. For the car, you don't need to use any of these adapters. Yeah, for a peace of mind, get one of these, leave it in the car, doesn't take too much room in the boot, and you are good to go if you have a low pressure tire. Or even to avoid going to the petrol station every time you need to check your tire pressures. The other product I want to show you is this 70 mi jump starter. Works as a power bank, for example, just in case if you have an emergency and you need to charge your phone or something like that. Let's have a look what's in this box. So it comes in this small bag, and inside we have the power lead, so you connect it to your car. This is quite a nice bag, has an handle. On the back, you should have some Velcro maybe on the back so you can stick it to your car boot, carpet, something like that maybe. Okay guys, so the power bank itself, the jump starter / power bank, 11,100 milliamps an hour power bank. Looks very good, it's not too big. Over here we have a power button, USB-A, USB-C, and a torch or flashlight, depends how you want to call it. On the back here we have some specs, like I said, 11,100 milliamps an hour, 250 amps of starting current, and the peak is 600 amps. Should be good to start most vehicles. I'm not sure about big trucks and stuff like that, I guess we need to check. This is a USB cable so you can charge a power bank, and these are the power leads that you will use to connect it to your car. The quality looks good, plus, minus, and this is like, I don't know how you call this is like the adapter for the leads. It also comes with a small manual that I will strongly recommend you to have a look at so you can understand how this power bank works and all its features. I don't believe this is too complicated, but I think you should have a proper look at this. To charge the power bank itself, you need to use the USB-C connection. That connection works as in and out, so you can charge the power bank and you can charge other devices. It comes pre-charged from the factory, but not fully charged. So what you need to do, just need to plug this to a USB power source and you are good to go. If you want to charge any other device like a phone, you can use a standard USB-A port over there. So you have two options, USB-A and the USB-C. Over there you have the torch, the flashlight with different functions. Let me just show you. So if you press it once, it will stay solid. Quite powerful. Press again, it will flash. Press again, it will give you a SOS signal. The LEDs at the top of this power bank means how many joules is inside the power bank. So each dot, each LED will mean 25%. So we have 4, at this moment we have 25% left of joules inside the power bank. In order, of course, to jump your car if your car battery is dead, there's this flap here. You need to raise it and you plug this adapter like so. Only goes one way in. Can you see there's two different connectors there that will match this one here. So you put it there like so, and don't try to touch this one, make contact between these two clips. So one goes to the negative of your car, the other one goes to the positive, the plus sign, to your car battery or battery charging ports. Depends on the car. For example, the BMW, because most of the BMWs have the battery in the boot, there's two connectors in the front of the car under the bonnet, so you could connect this. One the negative, this one being the positive. Over here you have the reverse, the connect, which will light green if you connect these two clips properly to the car battery, and a boost button. So like I said, when it lights green, you'll be able to start your car. Hopefully the car will start. If for some reason the red light will turn on, you will hear a buzzer as well, means these two are not connected properly. So don't try to start your car. If, for example, you connect it to your car, you get the green light, but you can hear a buzz, means your car battery is really bad and you need to press this boost button to give it an extra kick so you can start your car. If for some reason there's no green or red lights, means your car battery is completely wasted, completely dead. So it means you really need a new battery and there's nothing you can do, unfortunately. Another thing that the manufacturer recommends is if you try to jumpstart the car 3 times, then you need to wait for 2 minutes between each jump start. So you need to let the device cool down. In addition to this, you cannot use this as your car battery. So this is just to jump start your car, nothing else. Some people might connect this to the car battery and try to run the car like that. Please don't do it. I do recommend reading the manual carefully so you won't take any risks. Other than that, yeah, looks like a very good device. The quality, it's there, very solid, and I do like the design, of course, as well. 70mi products are pretty good, in my honest opinion. In the car now, let's test the 70mi air compressor. The jump starter will be tricky to test because the battery is still good. So here we have the air compressor. Let's remove this leaflet. You can use it with your car on or off, it's up to you and the state of your battery. I do recommend maybe turn on the car when you plug this to your cigarette light socket. For the sake of the video, we're going to use the 70mi TPMS. The unit that I'm going to use the front right 1.9 bars in this case, so you need to pump some air here. On the tire compressor itself, we have this R button so you can change the settings. We're going to use bar for our case. Here's the power button, on and off. With the plus and minus signs, you can pre-adjust the pressure you want. So let's say 2.2 in this case. Like I mentioned before, this is a locking mechanism. Pretty straightforward, just need to push it, lock it, and that's it. So it's 1.85 now. Good thing it will tell you the actual pressure of the tire. And that's it, guys. You just need to sit back, relax, and enjoy the air compressor doing the job for you. It's pretty quick and it's not too loud as well. When the predefined pressure is reached, the compressor will stop automatically. So 2.2, the compressor just stopped. Let's have a comparison with the TPMS. We have 2.1 there and 2.2 on the compressor. Just give it a bit more air so you can match the 2.2 we want. There is indeed a slightly difference between what is shown on the TPMS and what is shown on the compressor. It might be to the fact of different temperatures, but I think this is pretty good. To remove it, just unlock it and pull it out. That's it, guys. And we are good to go. Actually, the TPMS just did the update. Just took a few seconds and we have 2.2 there and we had 2.25 on the compressor. Another cool feature is this internal cooling fan that will turn on soon as he has power. Don't know if you can hear it. Nice stuff. To finalize this test, let's just adjust the pressure on this tire. I know we have 2.4, a bit too much. Let's match it with the right tire in this case. So let's have a look. As you can see, the hose is long enough to reach the top of the tire easily, even if you have bigger wheels. So in this case 2.35, yeah, the compressor is showing 0.5 less than the TPMS. So we need to adjust this 2.25 to match the other tire. And yeah, of course guys, the compressor doesn't remove air from the tire. So you need to do it manually. And to do it, it's pretty easy. Just need to press, keep checking, press again. If you go too low, of course, you have the compressor. Just turn it on and that's it. And I don't know if you noticed, but the car was off for this one. And now we have 2.2. The TPMS gives him some kind of warning because we lost pressure too quick. And that's it. It's good to keep the pressure up to standards, it's safe and it's good for the tires. I'm gonna do the back ones, 2.4, and we're good to go. I'm sure this compressor deserves definitely a thumbs up. And guys, to wrap this video, I think these two products will give you a peace of mind. You have it in the car. You don't need to wait for road assistance. If you have a flat battery, use the jump starter. If you have a low pressure tire, use the air compressor. Both pretty good in my honest opinion. Link down below so you guys can check it out, both of these products. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave it a like button and please don't forget subscribe. Thank you very much for watching guys, and like always, hope I can see you all in the next one.